Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, so in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make gokgomi, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So I have here corn dough, two separate corn doughs, and it's the same quantity. And I also have here corn husk. So this is a dry corn husk. You can get it from the African shop. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash it very thoroughly. I'll add some salt to it and make sure it's well cleaned. So I'm going to wash it the second and third time. And then I'll set it aside. So I'm going to be mixing one part of the corn dough with water and salt. So I'll mix it very well and add some salt to it. And I would be cooking it on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll be stirring it until it's well cooked. So after 15 minutes, at this point, the corn dough is done. I'll let it cool down, and then after it cooled down, I'm going to mix the fresh corn dough together with the cooked corn dough very well to combine. So I've washed my hands very well. I am now done mixing it. So I'll continue by molding it into medium balls. Then I'll put it inside the corn husk. Now I'm going to add another corn husk to cover all the corn dough. So once it's covered, I'm going to go ahead and twist it, and then open a small part and put the one I've twisted inside. Then I'll cover it, mold it again, and it's done. Very simple. So I'm going to repeat the same until I'm done. And at this point, the kenkey is now done and it's ready to be cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and arrange them inside the rice cooker, and I'll be cooking it for about an hour. So add some water to it. And then put it inside the rice cooker. I'm going to be cooking it for about 30 to 1 hour. And at this point, our KENKEY, KOMi, and KOMi is all done. And I'm going to be serving it with shito fresh pepper, sliced onions and tomatoes, with some shrimp and grilled tilapia. Very delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. God bless you all.